Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make donuts out of paper using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need construction paper in your favorite colors, a pair of scissors, and some craft glue. Don't forget a pencil and something round like a cup or a roll of tape to help you draw perfect circles. This fun project is perfect for all ages and requires minimal materials, making it super accessible for everyone to enjoy. Now let's create the basic donut shape. Take your construction paper and use a larger circular object to trace a big circle. Then, find a smaller circular object, like a coin or bottle cap, and trace it in the center of your larger circle. Carefully cut out the big circle first, and then cut out the smaller inner circle. This will give you that iconic donut ring, ready for decorating. Repeat this step for as many donuts as you wish to make. Time for the fun part, adding the frosting. Choose a contrasting color of paper for your frosting. Draw a slightly smaller, wavy-edged circle on this paper. This irregular edge will give your donut a more realistic, drizzled frosting look. Carefully cut out this wavy circle. Now, apply a small amount of glue to the back of your frosting piece and gently press it onto the top of your donut ring. Make sure it's centered for the best appearance. To complete your delicious-looking paper donut, let's add some sprinkles. Grab some small scraps of brightly colored paper. You can cut these into tiny strips or punch out small dots. These little pieces will become your colorful sprinkles. Apply a thin layer of glue over the frosting, then carefully place your sprinkles onto it. Let your beautiful paper donuts dry completely for about 15 minutes. Now you have a delightful, calorie-free treat to enjoy or share.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.